Good morning. My name is Sara Czaja. Welcome to our second panel on communities. I'm a professor of gerontology and director of the Center on Aging and Behavioral Research at Weil Cornell Medicine in New York City. And I'm very pleased to be moderating this session. Our second panelists today have been working for a while, over a number of years, using systems modeling to inform work in the city of Baltimore. Just like the prior panel, we'll first hear from our panelists who will be kind of doing a switcheroo back and forth amongst each other. And we'll have a panel discussion, about 10 minutes if we have time, and then audience Q&A. During the panel presentation and discussion, please type any questions you have into the chat box. And if you would like to direct that question at a particular speaker, put the person's name next to your question. We'll share them with our panelists during the Q&A portion near the end of the panel. As you know, full bios for our speakers today are included in the resources in the website. So I'm going to just briefly introduce our panel. It's my great pleasure to introduce these speakers. We have Sara Buzogany, who's the Food Resilience Planner for the Baltimore Food Policy Initiative, Department of Planning in the city of Baltimore, Maryland. Joining us again is Bruce Lee. You already know he's a professor of health policy and management at City University of New York School of Public Health. And we have Joel Gittelsohn, who's professor the Center for Human Nutrition and Global Obesity Prevention Center at Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. So please welcome me in joining our panel, Sara, Bruce, and Joel.